So, we form the past tense of a regular verb by simply adding d or ed to the end of the base form of the verb.
This time, we will learn about forming the past tense of an irregular verb. Let's define, first, irregular verbs.
Thanks, Molly. An irregular verb is any verb that does not add d or ed to form its past tense. Irregular verbs form their past tense by changing its spelling.
Right. Examples are come, came, get, got, go, went, know, knew, make, made.
Let's try to put it in a sentence. Camille went to the market last week. In this sentence, we use the verb went, which is the past tense of go.
How do we know if the sentence is in the past tense? You're right. We look for what we call the time marker. In that sentence, last week is the time marker which indicates that the action is already done.
Another example is earlier, Jose made lemonade for his guests. What is the past tense in this sentence? Correct. We use made, which is the past tense of make since the action happened in the past. And our time marker here is the word earlier.
Here is a list of some irregular verbs. The verb arise, and its past tense would be arose. Awake, or in the past tense, awoke. Be, or was and there for its past tense. Same with the word freeze, froze, give, and gave.
Aside from changing the spelling, there are also irregular verbs that form their past tense by not changing their forms. Some of these are broadcast, broadcast, cut, cut, hit, hit, let, put, and put.
That's right, Molly. Just like the sample sentence, Anthony hit a home run in their baseball game yesterday. Now notice that we use the time marker yesterday, which signals that the action is already done. Therefore, the verb should be in the past tense. The verb hit is an irregular verb, so we do not have to change the spelling or add d or ed to form its past tense.
Another example is Sandara cut her hair short a moment ago. The verb cut is in the past tense here, although we did not change its spelling. Here are some other irregular verbs that do not change their spelling in forming the past tense. Bet, read, set, shot, and spread.
Be advised that there is no exact rule in changing the spelling of irregular verbs. That's why we have to also read and read and read in order to learn and learn and learn.
That's right, kids. So if y'all want to keep on learning, go ahead and subscribe now to our channel for more lessons.
That's it for today. See you next time.